Hi there. In this short demonstration, we'll see Map Intelligence working within Web Intelligence of business objects. As you can see, we've come into the Web Intelligence document. This is some mocked up fast food data over Sydney of fast food data outlets and demographic data of local government areas. We're working over an Esri-based tiled map server here and some other Esri-based functions. So what we'll do is just initially give you a short view around the Map Intelligence document itself. If we click the layer control on the right hand side here, we can see that we've got four types of layers, outlets, vacant outlets, gyms, and average salary by LGA. The average salary by LGA is what we're seeing at the moment. So if I click on one of these areas, we'll get the location address, some data about the outlet there, and average salary. So I mentioned there were outlets, vacant outlets, gyms. So there are three different point layers that are not visible at this zoom level. So if we step in once, we can see the outlets have now come on. If we click the legend, we can see the color coding there represents the different outlets. If I step in one area further, we can see the LGA color coding is now turned off, and we've also got a second set of outlets have come up, vacant outlets and gyms. So I'll find you a gym as well. So if we step over this way a bit further, you can see there's a gym there. So if I click on one of these, we get a pop-up from the left-hand side. We've got the average salary by the LGA, the location address, and some detail about the outlet itself. If we step back out, those layers automatically turn on and off again. So you can see we've gone back out further. We can also use the map to filter into the Webi report, and there's various ways we can do that. We can select an individual point by a box, by radius, by polygon, by a region that exists in the map, or select by travel time, which is a drive time. In this one, we'll just do a simple grab a box, grab those ones there. If you notice on the right hand side, it's filtered down Web Intelligence, and now it's just regenerating the map based on that filter selection we made in the map itself. And you can see we've now zoomed in. We've only got the LGAs that we picked up the area for and the outlets. So it's two-way flow between Web Intelligence and Map Intelligence. If I click on this one, I can go and show you some different base maps coming through from Esri. So we've got light grey at the moment. We might want to use the dark grey, satellite, terrain, or street map. So they're just standard background map options from Esri. We tend to use the light grey because it shows up the demographic layers a bit better. And we also may want to bring in some WMS data from other sources. So if we go into here, this is some ABS, Australian Bureau of Stats data. We turn on weekly rent. We're bringing in data about median weekly rent in these areas. And we've got a dynamic pop-up in there. So that's just to give you a quick idea of Map Intelligence working with Web Intelligence. Thanks for your attention.